It's a follow-up to a story we brought you here on KMTV this past summer, and the fallout continues. Good evening, I'm Craig DeGrelli.
And I'm Jennifer Griswold. An upscale restaurant owner facing a likely fine for a tweet about an undercover alcohol check in August. Reporter Joe Cadot has been following this story and has the latest from Northwest Omaha. Joe?
Hortinovich tweeted a picture in August of a couple minors trying to buy alcohol at the restaurant behind me. And he tweeted out that he was trying to warn other restaurant owners of the compliance checks going on that night. And this tweet has landed him with a charge that could carry up to a $1,000 fine or up to a year in jail if he's convicted. Omaha City prosecutor Matt Kuzy says part of the reason charges were filed is because when John Hortinovich tweeted a picture of the alcohol compliance check, he put the minors in danger.
And that's why the charges were filed. Like I said, based on what the evidence that the State Patrol got for us, you know, maybe there was some good that came out of it from this individual's perspective, but from a law enforcement and prosecution perspective, I don't think anything good came out of it. I think some harm was done.
Hortinovich pleaded not guilty today to obstructing a government operation. Back in August, Hortinovich told KMTV the tweet was meant to warn other restaurants and shed light on what he says is law enforcement that work against the businesses, not for them.
We want to be a partner with the community and make sure that underage drinking is not happening. However, I believe that the different agencies, whether it's State Patrol or the Omaha Police Department, should follow the guidelines that are set in front of them and be more of a partner.
Diane Reby with the Project Extra Mile, the group that coordinates the compliance checks, says that the safety of the minors in these undercover operations is paramount. Tweeting pictures of them while they work can put them in danger. Hortinovich says law enforcement could at least let restaurants know after compliance checks that they were successful.
Agencies were more respectable about our time, introduced themselves after the operation, actually sent the letters that they're highly recommended to do. It would be a different situation.
While Hortinovich's lawyer says a First Amendment argument is possibly part of the defense, Kuzy doesn't see it that way.
There is no absolute right to the First Amendment. People have heard the statement, you can't yell fire in a public theater. You can't threaten somebody with your own words. Things like that can constitute crimes as well. It's the actions that these words generate or what's the basis for the criminal action.
Hortinovich's lawyer told me she doesn't know enough about the case at this point to make any comments on camera. A pretrial hearing is set for December. Reporting live, Joe Cadot, KMTV Action 3 News.